Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, April 13th, and we're going to be analyzing the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new Forex trading course available to all Gold Patreon members. The link for that can be found up here in the corner. So on the Aussie dollar monthly, I still think there's a good likelihood that we're going to continue up for either an ABC or possibly a 1, 2, 3. Either way, it doesn't matter because a wave C and a wave 3, the trading strategy is exactly the same, especially on a longer time frame like this. I think it will to end up eventually taking out these highs and probably look at something along these lines, maybe up to like the 78% or the 100% Fibonacci extension. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where you can start to see the higher highs, higher lows that make up this wave A. This move down is very strong because of the Aussie weakness, but I still think we may be having the end of a wave B, mostly by looking at the dollar index. That tells me that there's a very good likelihood that we will just keep on trending up, looking something like that, just like what I showed on the monthly time frame to make either a wave C or wave 3. Like I said, whether it's a C or whether it's a 3, the trading strategy is exactly the same as of now. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where I think that we already have the end of an ABC of wave B right here. Now I think this is just a messy overlapping trend, like an ending diagonal type trend or something. But this move down right here, as you'll notice, made a higher low, and a nice impulsive move up. I think this is going to take out these highs. I'm sure there's going to be plenty of pullbacks along the way, especially with how weak the Aussie's been. But I think that we are in an uptrend, and I think a trend will continue up. So let's take it down even further to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, this move down definitely looks more like a trend than a correction, so it may actually end up being a motive wave correction right here that actually is over. As you'll notice, this move up definitely looks like a trend also. It did pull back at a Fibonacci level, but I definitely don't see any reason to think it's over. I would have to see this structure way down here taken out just to believe this move up is over, telling me that any moves that I do see to the downside are most likely just going to be corrections to the last wave up, and I'm just going to continue to look for any long entries at the end of ABC pullbacks, especially on the shorter time frames. So let's take it down even more to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, you have to notice the higher lows this whole way up. That's definitely an uptrend. We did pull back from here, but that does not mean that anything is over. I could picture this being a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but just because we see like a 5 wave trend does not mean that it's over. Even if it does go down, it would have to take out this low right here for me to believe this move up is over, telling me that even if it does go down, I think it's just going to be a correction to this last wave up, and I will just continue to look for longs at the end of any of these ABC pullbacks that I may see. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.